If you've struggled with your weight your whole life and now menopause makes it feel completely impossible, I just want to say something to you right off the bat. It's not because you suddenly lost discipline. You are fighting biology and diet culture at the exact same time. And honestly, that's a lot. So if nobody has ever actually said that to you before, I'm saying it now because what's happening in your body is real, it's measurable, and it's not your fault. So let's actually talk about what's going on, because once you understand it, so much starts to make sense. Okay, so first things first, your hormones have literally changed the way your body stores fat. And I mean literally. This isn't me being dramatic. Estrogen plays a huge role in where your body decides to put fat, and when it starts dropping during perimenopause and menopause, your body shifts. Instead of storing fat in your hips and thighs like it used to, it starts moving to your abdomen. That's a real metabolic shift. Your body is responding to a completely new hormonal environment, and it's doing just what it's been told to do by your hormones. So if your belly has changed and you haven't changed anything, that's why. You didn't do anything wrong. Your body literally got different instructions. Now, here's the part that I really want you to hear, because almost nobody talks about this. If you've been dieting on and off for years, maybe even decades, your metabolism has been quietly, slowly adapting to survival less. Every single restriction cycle, every time you cut calories way down, your body learned. It got more efficient. It figured out how to hold on to fat more tightly. It slowed down to match whatever you were giving it. So by the time menopause actually hits, you're not just dealing with hormonal changes, you're dealing with a metabolism that has honestly been in survival mode for a really long time. And that's not a character flaw. That's not laziness. That is your body doing exactly what bodies are built to do, protect you. And then on top of all that, we've got stress and sleep, because menopause often brings night sweats, broken sleep, and a nervous system that just feels way more reactive than it used to. And when you're not sleeping well, your cortisol, that's your stress hormone, it stays elevated. And here's why that matters. High cortisol tells your body to hold on to fat, especially around your middle. It also ramps up cravings for sugar and carbs because your brain is desperately looking for a quick energy source. So you're exhausted, you're fighting cravings, and your body is literally wired at that point to store fat rather than let it go. This is not a willpower problem. I just need you to really hear that. So now, take everything I just described. The hormonal shifts, the slow metabolism, the cortisol, the sleep issues, and then apply the advice that literally everyone gives. Eat less, move more. What happens? You put even more stress on a system that is already completely overwhelmed. You cut calories, cortisol spikes even higher, your body grips onto fat even tighter. You push through intense workouts on broken sleep, inflammation goes up, recovery tanks. And then you blame yourself. And that's the part that really gets me, because it was never the right tool for where you actually are right now. Your body at this stage of life is not your body at 30, and honestly, it shouldn't have to be. So if menopause feels like the moment that everything just stopped working, I want you to reframe that just a little bit. It's not that everything stopped working, it's that the old approach stopped being appropriate for your body. And listen, if you have been trying for decades, doing everything you were told, following the rules, you deserve an approach that actually accounts for all of that history, all of that effort. You've been working hard. You just haven't had the right structure. What you need right now isn't another restriction cycle. What you need is real structure. Something that actually works with your hormones, your history, and your real life. And that is exactly why I help people inside my reset. The link is down below. Go ahead, check it out. Read through it. And if it sounds like what you've been looking for, I would genuinely love to have you in there. And hey, if you're not ready yet, that's completely okay. Save this video, come back to it when you are, because you deserve to actually understand what's been happening in your body. I'll see you in the next one.